Current mileage, 179,354 miles. Doing an oil change today on the 2006 Xterra. This is my old filter I just pulled out, and I'm just at 179,350 right now, so about 4,000 miles on this filter. And I've got the new one from Nissan. This one cost about 10 bucks with tax, and certainly can use any filter you want, but I prefer the factory ones. So it comes in sealed, a little bit of grease on the gasket already. So, and this is the part number 15208-9E01A, which is the same filter that I have here. So I'm just going to put a date on it and go ahead and get the oil drained and get it changed. And here we are with a new filter. I have that marked with 179,354 miles. Oh yeah, let's put that back on. Get that all greased up, ready to rock and roll. Here's the old gasket that's crushed compared to the new one. So you can see how it actually compresses once you tighten it up. And thank you for watching this video. Yet another project is complete on the Xterra. Please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.